Hey beautiful babes, welcome back. Today I'm sharing my morning face sculpting routine using this stainless steel face roller set. It's giving spa-like self-care at home, and I'm going to show you exactly how I prep, how I use it, and how often I use it. So let's get started here. Now what I do first, I start with a clean face. Just gently cleanse and pat dry, and then I apply a face oil. You can apply a face oil, a serum, or a moisturizer. For the face oil today, I will be using from the Ayurveda Experience this Kesarati Daily Glow Oil that I just love so much. I will link it down below. I just love the benefits of it. I will talk about in a separate video, but today we're just going to focus on the face roller. But you always want some type of slip on the skin. Never use a face roller or even a gua sha on dry skin. This helps the tools slide smoothly to prevent tugging. Now, if you want, you can actually, for extra cooling and depuffing, place the face roller in the refrigerator for a few minutes before using. Today, I did not do that. Now, the roller helps to wake up the skin and reduce morning puffiness. So I most always will do this in the morning. Rarely in the evening do I use this. Now, let's talk about how to use it. Always remember to roll upward and outward. I'm not a pro at this, so every now and then I do mess up. So mind your business if you see me slip up, okay? And use light to medium pressure. I usually repeat each motion about 5 to 10 times. So starting with my forehead, rolling upward and outward, upward and outward, rolling upward and outward, just like so. Now I use this even on my brow line. I just roll up towards my temple, up towards my temple. I also roll under my eyes from the inner corner of the eye outward, very, very gently. On the cheeks, I roll from my nose outward. Roll from the nose outward, towards the ears. The jawline, roll from the chin toward the ears, from chin to ears, just like so as I'm demonstrating. Now for the neck. Roll upward toward the jawline. Rolling upward, just like so. I kind of start at my collarbone and roll up. And I also do a little section in between, like the middle of my neck, rolling upward towards my chin for this double chin. This, to me, is so refreshing. It helps my face look less puffy and more lifted, especially in the morning. Now, using a roller, or even if you use a gua sha, they're not just for the face. You can use them on your body as well. Neck and shoulders, traps, thighs, belly, arms, all of that. Now, how often do I do this? Well, I do it daily. That is for best results. So far, I've been loving it. I just take just a couple of minutes just to do this in the morning. It helps again with morning depuffing and glow. Now, if you want to do this in the evening, it's great for relaxation and even tension release. Now, again, I use this every day, even if it's just a few minutes, like 5 minutes. Consistency is key. We say that all the time, right? Now, what you'll notice when you do this, your skin is going to look more refreshed, reduced puffiness, relaxed facial muscles, and a natural glow. This is one of my favorite ways to give myself spa-like self-care at home without leaving the house. And I love the set that it comes with. This set also makes a beautiful gift for birthdays, Valentine's Day, holidays, or just because. It's thoughtful, useful, and something a person will actually use, I think. Now, these tools are designed for relaxation, massage, and appearance-focused skincare results. Individual experiences may definitely vary, but I overall love them so much. But y'all will find these, of course, linked in the description box. Love them. And I kind of use these better on my face than I do my own hands, which I know that's kind of odd and weird, but yeah, I like that. I like that. But let me go ahead and get this day crack-a-lacking. Okay. Love y'all. Bye.